welcome back to the channel. So I know this intro is a little different. I figured I might as well start the intro in the car, since I usually warm up the car for about 3 minutes. But anyways, just a few channel updates. I want to let you guys know that I will be uploading 2 main videos a week now. It'll be Monday and Friday, so this video is going to be up on Friday, which is tomorrow. And then I'll be uploading 3 shorts Tuesday through Thursday, which means I'll basically be uploading every day this week for the remainder of the year. So for 52 weeks, I'll be uploading 5 times a week. I'm gonna try my best to hold up to it. I'm gonna use 110% to make sure I stay up on that. But for today's video, I just figured I'd want to do a quick 2023 recap of all the maintenance and installs that I've done on the car in terms of how much I spent, because that is kind of a hot topic for the E90 M3 community, because there's nightmares about, you know, rod bearings going out, grenading the motor, throttle actuators going out, and that costing a lot. But at the end of the day, the best people to go to for how much these cars cost for maintenance are the people who own them. So I will make a video of my own on terms of how much I've spent on maintenance and mod installations in 2023. But as you can see, I only have 5 miles of gas. It took 16.4 gallons of gas, so it was really empty. It cost $82. California's gas for 91 is about $5. And we're about to start it up with the valves open, and it's not fully warm, so it should be pretty loud. And yeah, I have a bunch of lights. First of all, my X pipe causes one check engine light. I have the freaking left daytime running out. Need to fix that. And the TPMS is malfunctioning. So yeah, I do have the Christmas tree. That's pretty standard for most BMW drivers. But regardless of those lights, this car has actually not been very unreliable. So I'm happy for that. The last owner and the previous owners before that took pretty good care of it. I've had no real issues with the car. Gonna get some rollers just because we're out with the boys, and I think it would be a good opportunity to get some rollers going. It should be fun. These clips are probably going to be inserted next. So yeah, enjoy. now that we got all the fun stuff out of the way, let's go talk about some numbers on the maintenance. So I do have a little sticky note to reference, but I put about 17,000 miles on the E90 M3 in 2023. Amongst those miles, I had 3 oil changes. Those come out between 230 to 250 roughly. I had one done at European Auto Source, which was 242, and then I had the rest of them, the 2 other ones, done at Precision Designed. Yeah, so 230 to 250 for oil changes. It is a lot more expensive than my Accord, but it's a BMW, so you understand that that kind of racks up quick. And then for the other maintenance items, I also got the fuel breather valve replaced because my car would idle strange when there was low fuel and when I just filled it up, and it kind of had all the symptoms of the fuel breather valve needing to be replaced. So I did get that replaced. That costed $315. I believe that's with parts as well and labor. Alongside the fuel breather valve, I did get the spark plugs replaced as well, which was $382. So that whole maintenance job costed about $720. So in oil changes, let's just round up, I spent about $750 because there's 3 of them, and then we got another $720 from the fuel breather and the spark plugs. So that's almost $1,500 so far. And then the major item that I just did actually was the valve cover. I got the valve covers replaced. I also got the hood struts replaced, and like everything that needs to be replaced when you replace the valve covers, they've been replaced by Precision Designed. I also had an oil change. I got an X pipe installed, and yeah, so with all of those things, it came out to $1,480. So the main part that was expensive was, of course, the valve cover. That took about 4 hours, I'd say. It's not like a super difficult job from what I've heard, but it's just time consuming. But yeah, kind of just a roundup of 2023 for maintenance and install costs. Okay, so I did very quick math, but for installs and maintenance, I spent about $3,000, give or take a few $100s, but that's with 3 oil changes, the spark plugs being replaced, the fuel breather valve being replaced, the valve covers being replaced, hood struts being replaced, and just a few little miscellaneous items such as doing the E96 M3 oil cap, and yeah, stuff like that. But all in all, I spent about $3,000 on installs and maintenance. That's not including the mods. And yeah, maybe if this video does pretty well, I'll talk about how much I spent on mods. I have not done much to the car yet, but for the little that is done, I can, you know, sum it all up for everyone. But hopefully you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And just as a reminder, I will be uploading 2 videos a week in terms of like main videos, so Monday and Friday, and then I'll be uploading shorts Tuesday through Thursday. So expect an upload every weekday of this year. I'm gonna stick to it. It's gonna take a lot of work, but we're gonna get it done, and I'm excited for what's to come. And hopefully, you know, if I work hard enough and I achieve enough, I can bring a supercar to the channel at the end of the year. And just for a hint, it's going to be a V10 because that's just a natural progression. V6, V8, V10. And yeah, we have much more to do for the E90, and I'm hoping that everyone will come along for the journey.